damn near whiteout conditions up here by Gary, Indiana, just outside of Chicago. Yeah, it's got bad over here. They ain't been able to keep up with the roads. Plows haven't, and it's nasty. We got a crosswind of 30 plus miles an hour here right now. As you can see, probably maybe that flag over there standing out. Wind's blowing so damn hard. And the roads are like ass. It seemed like at the last toll booth at the 80-94 split back there, that west of that they haven't been doing much road maintenance. So I've only got a little bit ways to go, and I'll be at my terminal, and I can shut down and take a nap and hopefully let some of this shit blow by. But we will see.